Today, I will share this retro handbag with you. I use cloud candy, 2mm air cotton, and a 3.8 crochet hook. First, the stitches at the beginning of the left side are not counted. Next, start crocheting braid stitches. 18 braid stitches. After crocheting 18 braid stitches, back to the second braid stitch. Start crocheting short stitches. Beginners can mark the first stitch of each round. Make a marker. Then continue to hook short stitches in the corresponding stitches and make a total of 16 short stitches. After crocheting 16 short stitches to the last stitch, in this stitch, 3 short stitches. After hooking, turn to the other side. Insert the hook into the intersection of the two braids. Start crocheting short stitches. You'll crochet 15 short stitches on this side. After hooking 15 short stitches, and come to the last stitch. In this stitch, crochet 2 short stitches. After hooking, connect it to the first stitch. This completes the bottom part of the bag. Start the first round of the bag body. First, lock 2 double crochets as a standing stitch, not counting as stitches. Next, we adjust the inner half needle, which is the half needle far from us. Start crocheting long stitches. Hook the needle around the thread and insert it. And bring the thread out. Push the 2 loops together with the thread. This is a long stitch. Continue to pick the inner half needle to hook long stitches. This round is all long stitches. There are 36 long stitches in total. You can finish the rest by yourself. After the first round of the bag is completed, we start the second round. First, make 2 slip stitches as a standing stitch, not counting the stitches. In the second round, we crochet outer long stitches on the pillar of the long stitch of the previous round. Insert the hook from right to left, and hook a long stitch. This is an outer hook long stitch. Let me demonstrate again. Hook a long stitch on the loop. Insert the hook into the post and hook an outer hook long stitch. In the second round, you crochet a loop in the stitch, outer hook long stitch. You can finish the rest by yourself. After the second round is finished, connect with the first stitch. The third round is the same as the second round. Hook 2 chain stitches as a standing stitch, not counting the stitches. Pick up the pillar of the outer hook long stitch. Insert the hook and make an outer long crochet. The third round of the bag body is to keep the same stitches and hook a round of outer long stitches. After the third round is finished, change the thread to start the fourth round. First, lock 2 slip stitches as a standing stitch, not counting the stitches. Next, start crocheting long stitches in the same stitch. Remember to make a mark on the first stitch. Make a marker. Then, continue to crochet long stitches in the same stitch. And make 3 long stitches. After hooking 3 long stitches, a set is completed. Next, leave 2 stitches empty and continue. In the 4th stitch, continue to crochet 3 long stitches. This completes the second group. The pattern of the 4th round is 3 long stitches. Leave 2 stitches empty. Continue to repeat the crochet. According to this pattern, everyone can complete the rest by themselves. Change the thread after the 4th round is done, between the 2 long stitches of the previous round. First, lock 2 chain stitches as a standing stitch. Then hook 3 long stitches in the same position. This completes a set. Next, continue to hook 3 long stitches. 3 long stitches. Three long stitches form a group. Complete this round according to this pattern. Every round after this is in the hole between the 2 groups of the previous round. 3 long stitches. According to this method, until you reach the desired height.